Hello everyone, this is Nina with Waffle Flower. I'm here to answer your questions about our sneak peek club. I will list all the timestamps for each section down below this video so you can jump to the exact second where I'm answering the question. I have the questions here with me. I read every single one of your comments. I know there are hundreds, and I combine the questions together. So first question is, when will you be charged for the kits? And will there be a preview of the kit so you can preview it and skip it if you want? Okay, take our January kit for example. January 2nd, you'll get an email with a link to see our January release. If you are a monthly subscriber, you'll be charged on the 4th for the sneak peek kit. January sneak peek kit includes products from February release, so that you don't know what's inside the kit until you receive it. Now it leads to the question, who is this kit designed for? So first of all, it's designed for card makers. We're a 99% card making supplies company because we're card makers and we only want to design the things that we are happy and excited to work with. So if you ask me, who is this kit designed for? Card makers who likes to explore possibilities, who appreciates receiving things unexpected. Surprise me, this kit is for you. This is exciting. I can't think of anything I don't like. Then this is kit's for you. I'm going to tell you by product types, by the product functions, and by the styles of what kind of things you may or may not see in those kits. I'm going down the list, okay? When we design the kits, we're thinking like a gift. You know, you want to surprise someone who might already have everything, but still would like to play with those products. That's one of the main things we consider when we put the kits together. That, you know, we all been doing this, Galina, JJ, and I, we've all been doing this for years. We have ginormous collection of products. So when we put the kits together, it needs to be something that makes us excited, that we can't wait to play. So that will be something that will be in the kit. And it's probably not, oh right, that's the next question here, what the kit is not. So first of all, this is not a card kit. It's not something that you'll say, okay, I can make 10 cards, 5 cards out of this kit. This is not one of those card kits. No. It'll be versatile. You can make many cards out of it. It's just it won't be this one thing. This is also not a beginner kit, not a one-it-all kit. The value of our products are mostly in the design of how they can work together and how many different occasions you can use it for. I think versatility is one of the things that we design our products for. Now, let's go down the list of what might be in there and what might not be in there. So the first one is by product types. In my previous video, I talked about what product types might be in there. If you click on the little corner here, you'll be able to see that video earlier, which is more like an introduction. Hot foil plates? No. Not everyone have hot foiling machine yet. Embossing folders? No in this moment. I did see some very inspiring designs out there, but I'm not sure that's something we'll get into. So 99% of the chance, no. No in this moment. Okay. And then transfers and rub-ons. That is an interesting idea. We'll see what we can do. So right now, it's a no in this moment. Coordinating stamps and dies. I think specifically people are talking about is stamp with matching dies. That is also possible because like our oversized words, usually it's around $26 to $28. That's very possible to be a combo. But it needs to be some word like a birthday. That's very generic. Everyone can use it because it will take the entire kit. So it's possible, but we'll see what we can do. Basic supplies like shaker covers. If we do any, it'll definitely be in there. A little bit of everything. I think this is talking about they wanted to have a variety of things, a little mix of things. And the variety is actually something we're trying to achieve. So you will have something that coordinates and work together, but different types of products. So the answer is possible. Among the product types we carry, like you won't expect an embossing folder in there, but there will be stamps, dies, stencils, and embellishments that will work together. By functions, can there be organizational stamps and dies? That is probably not. It's a no, because organizational stamps and dies, we already have 2 releases on them already. If we have more, it will be in our release, but it won't be in the sneak peek club. There could be organizational items. Many people mentioned water media mats, the ink pen holder, the brushes. So those are all possible. You know, that we will try if we have some new kind of tool that we come up with. We'll definitely try to include it in the kit. Stitching dies? No, it's too specific. Planner stamps? No. Scrapbooking only products? No. Journaling sentiments? No. Cover plates, backgrounds? Definitely. The backgrounds are popular. We're known for our backgrounds. Layering stencils, panel plates. Those are all the things that's kind of our jam, you know? That's what we like to do. Scene building sets? Possible. Sentiment stamps and dies? Possible, as I mentioned earlier. Tags? Possible. Okay, so the last category is the different styles. People are very specific about what they want. They want masculine designs, flowers, craters, rainbows, tropical things, books, baking, cooking, and all that. We'll try to do a good mix of everything on the style. There will be flowers, craters, masculines, rainbows. Maybe not rainbow, we have done many. So maybe, yeah. Those are all what we call specific themes. If you go to our website, all of our releases have a little nickname that summarizes the theme of the release. For example, we had Father's Day in mind for our May release. You'll be able to receive items in early April as a subscriber. It could be this rhombus panel die with the 2-step rhombus stencil, or the popcorn stamp die and stencil combo. The same is based on what we're having for the month. There are some requests about the miscellaneous, like tutorials, samples, definitely. We actually invited many guest designers. We'll use a kit, create a project, and then we'll have a list of them so you can see the projects. And we're also planning on having a hub among all the Sneak Peek Club subscribers so you can share what you have created using the kits. Here's another very good idea. She wants to see samples of different level of projects, from beginner to intermediate to advanced. That's a very good idea. So I know our projects are usually intermediate to advanced, but we'll definitely try to increase something that's more beginner friendly. If someone just wants more challenging things, there will be ideas for that too. It's getting dark here. Thank you for staying with me today. I hope I answered some of your questions. Have a wonderful holiday season and Happy New Year.